Good afternoon once again. My name is Padri Chagoshule. I'm the captain of this flight. Today, my colleague, First Officer Mr. Tamas Gayashvili, is assisting our flight also. He's gonna be the pilot flying. So, Tamas, I'm ready for briefing.
After push and start, expecting runway 31 left, our SID will be Zagot 1 departure.
773, push and start approach, KNH 1015, information whiskey.
Okay, starting engine number 2.
You can start engine number 2.
Number 2, please.
Starting engine number 2. 25. Fuel flow, VGT is rising.
Stabilized. Starting engine number 1.
You can start engine number 1.
Start number 1.
Number 1. Time.
773, line up runway 31 left and clear for takeoff, wind 120 degrees, 5 knots.
Take your time.
Time. Okay, my controls.
You have control, engine stabilized.
Check.
And okay, engaged.
Check.
Thrust set.
Check.
V1.
Rotate. What's the rate?
Gear up.
Get up. With no speed.
Check.
So, Tango Gold 773, Tbilisi approach and N-Flight, line level 240 initially.
Hey, flaps up.
Let's check. Flips up. Let's see.
10,000. Check. Speed 293.
Check. We are at our cruising altitude at 380 in Turkish FIR. We're point zero in the Victor. We have left approximately 1 hour 10 minutes till our landing. Our route continues now still in Turkish FIR. After that, at point Vesar, we will enter the Nicosia FIR and we'll commence descent towards Larnaca. I think that we'll pass the points of Babax, Grassi and Ruder and we'll be cleared for ILS 22 at Larnaca. We'll check the weather information and according to the situation we prepare the aircraft and our cockpit for approach, but most probably we think that it will be runway 22 for approach.
Kamazi 773, descent flight level 290.
Descending 290,
90 set.
checked.
Kamazi 773, Larnaca radar identified. Continue descent to altitude 6,000 feet on QNH Larnaca 1007.
1000 level.
Checked.
Kamazi 773, 10 right heading 3290.
Right heading 290, come on 773.
Kamazi 773, continue descent to altitude 5,000 feet.
Continue descent altitude 5000 feet, come on
1000
773.
set, heading 290 set.
Both checked.
Kamazi 773, continue descent to altitude 2,000 feet.
Continue descent 2000, come on 773.
2000
Yes,
set.
check.
Kamazi 773, descend 1,500 and 10 left heading 260, cleared ILS X-ray, correction, ILS Sierra, runway 22. Report established, localize.
That's the heading 60, descend 1,500 feet, yard ILS Sierra, runway 22.
Tamazi
Clear for approach.
773, reduce minimum approach speed, number 2, number 1, approximately 3 miles on final.
Plus 15.
Reduce to minimum approach speed, Tamazi 773.
And flaps 30.
Speed check, flaps empty.
That's Tamazi 773,
Larnaca
Larnaca Tower, continue approach,
Check.
wind 210 degrees, 13 knots.
Continue approach, runway 22, Tamazi 773.
Tamazi 773, runway 22, clear to land, wind 220 degrees, 12 knots.
Clear to land, runway 22, Tamazi 773. 1000 approach stabilized, we are clear to
Checked.
land.
Okay. Golf, yes.
Yes, okay, Takeoff.
Ground, good day, Tamazi 773, vacating runway 1 Golf.
Maybe ready on pass.
Yeah, it's ready. Shutdown checklist completed.
Thank you for flight.
You also.
Stand is 1-4, we'll go all the way down via Lima Alpha to Lima, and then we'll take taxiway Zulu, continue via Charlie, holding point Alpha, runway 22, heading for runway 22, 220 set.
Yes.
Stand by, please, 1 second.
Charlie 2 is... Right.
Tamazi 774, hold short in sequence, contact tower 120.575, Yasas.
All short in sequence and 12057, Tamazi 774, goodbye.
Clear takeoff, signal 5043.
Tamazi 774, line up and wait, runway 22.
Line up and wait, runway 22, Tamazi 774.
Tamale 774, clear for immediate takeoff, wind 200 degrees, 17 knots.
Air control.
Air controls.
Engine stabilized.
Check.
N1 dog engaged.
Check. Okay. Takeoff thrust set.
Check.
Speed alive.
V1.
Rotate.
Touristic 581, runway 22 clear to land, wind 10 degrees,
Positive
16
rate.
knots.
Get up.
Yes, Larnaca with you and 22 touristic 581. Thank you, bye-bye. Check on 5043.
Speed 14154.
Check.
Tamale 774, Conda Larnaca radar 130.2.
Tomasi 774, Larnaca approach, identified on departure. Turn left heading 090, standby for higher vectors for Ruder.
Heading 090, Tbilisi 774, standby for higher.
2,000 feet and reducing 180 knots at Alpha 5133. Cyprus 81 on the arrival, continue descend altitude 4,000 feet.
Vertical speed. Now we are keeping flight level 390, flying towards our home base Tbilisi. We are now still in Turkish airspace. We have a good news, 70 knots tailwind, so ground speed is 530 knots, and I think approximately in 1 hour we will arrive. Expected approach most probably will be for runway 3 on left in Tbilisi, and we are waiting for the visa information of our destination. So I want to tell you a few words about our airlines. Georgian Airways was founded 30 years ago after the independence of Georgia. And we operate on Georgia market for 30 years, and we are major airlines in Georgia. We accommodate flights in Europe and the Middle East. We have destinations like Amsterdam, Paris, Nice, Vienna, Berlin. In the Middle East we execute flights for Tel Aviv and Larnaca, Cyprus. Our fleet consists of Boeing 737 fleet. It's 737-700s and -800s. Lights on, please. Flaps 5. Speed 16.
Check.
Now 774, runway 13 right, clear to line, wind 170 degrees take.
Runway 13 right, clear to line, Tbilisi 774.
Gear down.
Gear down.
Flaps 15.
Flaps 15.
Flaps 30.
Left T.
Target speed 131 set.
Check.
When ready, landing checklist.
Okay, landing checklist. Engine start switches, continuous, landing gear,
Down to green,
speed brakes,
arm green,
flaps.
30 green.
Landing checklist completed. Clear to land. Minimums.
Continue.
One 100, 50, 30, 20, 10.
Brakes and reversers. 60.
Checked.
One 100, 50, 30, 20, 10.
Yes.
Lights off.
It's off. APU is ready.
All pass, please. So finally we have arrived to our final destination and home base Tbilisi. I hope you enjoyed the flight. Flight time took up to 1 hour 43 minutes and I think it was smooth. I want to say thank you to my colleague, First Officer Mr. Tamas Gayashvili, and also to you, Just Planes. Thank you very much.